Welcome back to the channel, guys. Rozzy Grow in the building. Now, if you was tuned in yesterday and you guys was watching, I was upstairs in the attic. We connected 10 miners together on a single 5.8 dBi antenna with the LMR 600 cable. And I think so far everything's working good as it should. I did get a few invalid witnesses in the beginning, but I think it's starting to smooth out. So check it out. All the machines that I connected together are now working together in a system. This is what we do, guys. Rozzy Grows. Like and subscribe to learn some more on helium.